Dad, why do you have to lay on my bed? Can't you just go to your bed? Jacob, I just want to keep company with you. Honey, I heard you're sick, so I bought you some medicine. Yeah, here you go. Oh, thanks, honey. You're the best. You're welcome, honey. Now, be nice, you two. Oh, 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 Excuse me. Oh, where are my medicines? Well, that was a relief. Jacob, are you okay? Oh, what happened here? No, my fan! No!